Welcome to Dave's Canoeing Adventures. I'm just going to give you a little intro to what today's video is about. It's a little different. We are actually going to be on location building a little piece of a cedar strip canoe. Now we are just doing the fiberglass side of it. So my friend Chad, he's invited us out, or me, out to help put the fiberglass in, put the epoxy on top, and to be a part of the canoe. It's pretty exciting. Now remember, we are not experts, and we are just doing what we've seen on YouTube and different things, and just kind of going with it, and hopefully it's going to turn out all right. I think you guys will really enjoy this video. It's a little different, like I said. It's not out paddling, it's not you know, it's not going through the nature, but it is another aspect of the canoeing world, and building your own cedar strip canoe can be very fulfilling. And I've just been a little bit of a part of this with Chad, and I've enjoyed every minute. It is a blast. It's very rewarding to just see that fiberglass go in, just see the epoxy soak into it, and just bring out that beautiful color of the wood. And honestly, it makes me want to build my own, which I don't exactly have time for right now, but we'll get there eventually, I think. And so I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, throw a thumbs up on there, because if you like this style, and I'll try to get more out there of similar things. Okay? Enjoy the video, guys. Here we are, we're laying in the fiberglass of the cedar strip canoe Chad's building. Looking pretty good. Trying to make sure there's no creases, which is hard. Right, Chad?
Yep. Not a lot of fun. But it'll be worth it.
Absolutely. It looks awesome though. It looks awesome. Chad, what's been your favorite part about building this canoe?
Probably say stripping it and just actually building the frame and just seeing it all come together, and every day you see 4 more strips go on, and just, yeah, it's a cool process.
Did you like doing the staples?
Works good, but I think I'd try stapleless next time, just because then, yeah, you don't have all those staple holes that you can see, and it'd be seamless almost and look pretty slick without them, I think.
Yeah, putting the fiberglass on with the epoxy is really wetting it out nice. But you do see those.
Yeah.
I kind of like those personally, but that's to each individual.
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to getting it on the water?
Yeah, it's been a long process, so it'll be nice to actually enjoy it and get her out this spring or summer and get some use out of it.
Right on, man. Right on.